Number 218, there are 40% more male employees than female employees. If the company has 108 employees, how many female employees does it have? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. So here are the choices: 52, 45, 42, 54, and 56. Okay, so let's solve this. We are looking for the how many female employees. So let that be X. Okay, so let X be the number of female employees. Okay, so how many female employees does it have? So X equals female employees. And then we have, there are 40% more male employees than female. So 40% in decimal, that is equivalent to 0.40 or simply 0.4. Okay? So if the expression for female is X, so therefore the expression for male employees will be 40% more than, so we just need to add 40% to X. So we have X plus 40% or 0.4 in decimal plus 0.4X. Okay, so let's simplify this. X plus 0.4X, so there is an invisible 1 here. 1X plus 0.4X, that is equal to 1.4X. Okay, so let's combine this. So we have 1.4x, so that will be the expression for the male employees. And then what's the condition? If the company has 108 employees, so that means if we add this, the female and male, the total is 108. So therefore, the working equation is X plus 1.4x is equal to 108. Then just solve for X. So X is the number of female employees. Just solve for X. So we add this. X plus 1.4x. Again, there is an invisible 1 here. So 1x plus 1.4x. So we have 2.4x is equal to 2.4x equals 108. So to solve for X, just divide both sides by 2.4. Okay? Cancel this. So we have X is equal to 108 divided by 2.4. Since the divisor is decimal, we just need to multiply both sides by both the numerator and denominator by 10 to make the divisor or the denominator a whole number. Or simply, just move the decimal point. 1, 1. 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So therefore, we have 1080 divided by 24. Okay? So let's just divide manually. 1080 divided by 24. So what's the answer to this? So we have 4. 108 divided by 24. So that is 4. 4 times 4, we have 16. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. So we have 9. Subtract this. So we have 8 minus 6, we have 2. 10 minus 9, we have 1. Bring down 0. 120 divided by 24, that is 5. 5 times 24 equals 120. So therefore, the value of X is 45, and therefore the answer is letter B. There are 45 female employees. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets. Mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto. 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.